want me to go first, eh? Oh wow. Okay, well that kind of abrupted that, eh? Shit.
Long time of year.
Wow, that's so interesting. And it's probably nothing, but it could be.
That's far. That's like the picture you sent me. Eh?
Yeah.
Well, look how deep it gets and how quick. By the time you get in the middle there.
Yeah, but you can see the middle off again, right? No, I'm not doing it, right? We're not doing it. Sorry. You know, that's shit.
I believe we probably could if we had to.
Yes. Oh yeah. I mean, you know, it's not going to be that deep. I mean, you can see the grass on each side, right? So, you know, I'd have to say at the worst, you know,
yeah,
you're probably shin deep. But
the bikes could do it, but then your legs are going to be soaked.
Yeah, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. Shit.
Oh, fuck.
Ah! Oh, I got to take a picture of it though. That's for sure. Shit.
And well, this is all marsh.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's all it is. It's just it kind of got a low land, right? So.
I bet you because of the rain we got last week. I bet you last weekend
it flooded it.
You could last weekend. I bet you could have made it through.
Yeah. Shit. What a pain. All right. Well, there you have it. There. So that's the Iron Mine Road, or the little short snap of it. So hopefully, yeah, we'll get to it next time, and we will defeat you. So. Again, yeah, I just don't know how deep it is and how far it is. Last thing we want to do is get halfway into it. And gunshots over there anyways, right? We don't want that. So we get up to that halfway and something goes wrong, it's going to kind of suck, right? So I don't even want to take a chance. Not worth it. So cheers.